Well, the summer heat continues across the valley, not looking very cool at all this week. I think temperatures back up a little hotter than they were today. For tomorrow, we're looking for numbers maybe about 106 for a high around Rio Grande City and Roma, and about 105 in San Ysidro. Most of Hidalgo County should hit 100 degrees, maybe a little hotter the farther west you go, about 105 in the afternoon in McAllen. Most of Cameron and Wolsey counties in the 90s, but it might briefly touch 100 or so in western Cameron and western Wolsey County. So hot and mainly sunny weather tomorrow. Currently it is 100 in Rio Grande City, 97 in McAllen, 95 in Harlingen. These temperatures would actually be a little bit hotter, I think, but if you look outside your window, there's a little thin veil of high clouds around that are coming through, which is blocking out just enough sun, I think, to keep it a couple degrees cooler. It is a little breezy, though. Winds still gusting to about 30 miles per hour across many areas. You see the gusts at 31 in McAllen, 33 in Port Isabel, and that breeze should be around, as I mentioned, into the evening hours. So your evening temperatures falling through the 80s, but may not get much below 80 if even that cool tonight. I think with the light breeze that may persist through the night, we'll probably keep temperatures holding in about the low 80s in some spots overnight. Future track shows this evening, again, you see the winds here. The color shadings indicate the speed of the wind. And once you get into these kind of yellowish, greenish colors, that's about 20 miles per hour. So you see how the winds really don't totally diminish until maybe briefly late tonight in some areas, and then tomorrow they're right back up there. I think the winds from the south and southeast, not super gusty, but like today, a gust around 30 or 35 miles per hour is likely tomorrow at times. And other than that, it just looks pretty sunny and hot for tomorrow. Satellite radar shows dry conditions, but you notice that little thin area of clouds I was talking about, and kind of see it sneak down right there. It just happens to come through right in the afternoon, which is good because it kind of knocked a couple degrees off the temperatures, but that is on its way out. So mainly clear skies this evening and for tomorrow. Future track does show mainly clear skies tonight, maybe a few patchy clouds towards sunrise, and then tomorrow mainly sunny skies again. High temperatures back up close to 100 or even higher in some areas. And then by the time we get to Wednesday, one little change on Wednesday, there might be a little surge in the moisture content of the air. It could be just enough for the sea breeze to spark a shower or two in maybe one or two spots. So I think Wednesday is a mainly dry day, but as we go through the afternoon, the sea breeze as it moves inland might have enough punch to create, again, one or two showers, as you see, but nothing big. I mean, if you see a shower on Wednesday, you better go get that Powerball ticket. Isn't that's coming up again, right? Because, yeah, you'll be one of the lucky ones. And then Thursday, we're back to mainly sunny and hot. I'm not endorsing gambling, by the way, just saying you're lucky. If you want to check out the KRGV mobile weather app, you can always check out the latest forecast there. If a shower does pop up on Wednesday, you'll be the first to know if you can check it out there on your phone on the radar. But again, showers should be few and far between this week, and mainly just sunny and hot. Quick look at the tropics. There's nothing going on in the Gulf of Mexico. The nearest storm, there is a tropical storm, Gert, north of the Bahamas, but expected to stay offshore from the United States. And see, here we are over here away from any storminess, so nothing impacting the United States or the Gulf anytime soon. First 15-7-day forecast near 101 tomorrow. Sunny, breezy, and hot. By the time we get to Wednesday, still a little breezy, but maybe that one or two shower, popping up sort of day there with a quick sea breeze shower. But I think mainly hot, dry weather is the rule through the start of the weekend, with temperatures staying close to 100. Plenty of heat ahead, and we'll keep tracking it in your first 4 and 5 forecast. Dina?